So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening guys. Thank you so much for joining today's session in advance. And let me introduce myself. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I will be helping you with all your trading concerns. So guys, you might have noticed that today the name of the strategy is not mentioned in the description because we are going to try something new. This time, the trade which I am going to take, it's not going to be beneficial for me. I am not the one who will be making profit. In fact, when you will be also participating along with me, when you will be also guiding me that how I can take a trade, in which direction I should be taking a trade. So of course you will be also getting an opportunity to get something, to get some risk-free trade. That is a reason that we have named it X in a row. So I will be opening couple of trades. If back to back I will be having, I will be able to make that much success rate. So some risk-free trade will get unlocked, and the more accuracy I will be able to get a hold on, that value of that risk-free trade will keep on increasing with one. I will try to explain a bit more. Nothing to worry. Just stay connected. So let me see. I can see that a few traders have joined. So let's wait. Max to max 1 more minute, then we will kick off the session and I will be explaining everything, that how this quiz, this contest is going to work. Everything is going to be visible in front of you. So we will be taking some trades together. We will be analyzing the results. Okay, and when I will be making some positive results, if back to back 3 trades will go positive, then that specific RFT for $5 will be unlocked. To participate in this contest, I will be sharing one Google form link. All you just need to fill a couple of details. Let me show you the Google form, how it is going to be visible before everybody will join. So I just want to make sure that everything is streamlined. And guys, one more thing, comment section is already active for you. So make sure you ask your question, your queries there as well. And in the meantime, I am sharing you the link for the contest. So just a moment. Let me just share it with you guys. Guys, I am very excited about that one. So I think you guys will also be participating in this, because I want that we both should have a win-win situation. We both should get something, because last time when I was taking some trades and I was saying that I'm going to open some trade, I will be making some profits, but I am not going to share it with you guys. So I was feeling a bit bad. I was thinking that you should also get something. So that is the reason that we have come up with this thing. So guys, as you can see on the screen, the form is visible. So you just need to put your trader ID here, your asset name on which you think that there is one signal, what time frame you want to pick, like whether you want to open a trade for 1 minute, 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and what direction it should be. Once you will be clicking on the submit answer, so that answer will be in my bucket. I will be keep an eye on these signals or all the inputs which you are going to give me, and of course I am going to open some trades if that that signal is eligible for to opening a trade, or I believe that signal is fair enough, and whatever you are going to add, that is going to be visible here. And at the end of the session, I will be selecting one trader who will be getting one risk-free trade. I will explain a bit more, nothing to worry. Just make sure you are ready with everything. You just open the link, put your trader ID, time frame, asset and direction. Okay, so let's kick off the session without wasting any more time. So guys, let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then. Just we are trying to help our traders in their trading concerns. So this is one of the session where we have gathered today. So on this channel, we are conducting live sessions in 8 different languages. So make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting a notification and we will be able to sit together. And that's how we are trying to help our traders in their trading concerns. Okay, we are also providing some another services. I will try to explain them as well, but before coming to that, let's talk about the strategy. So today the name of the strategy which we are going to discuss is Rodeo. how to apply this strategy manually, automatically. I will be explaining that one. Some major topics like risk management, money management, of course, we will be talking about that. And the major part we are going to devote to the live action. I mean to say live trading. And in today's session, of course, you are going to participate along with me. You are going to help me with some signals, and I will be trying to follow those signals. If I will be getting any profit, of course, you are going to get an opportunity to make some get some risk free trade. So how it is going to happen? So you can observe, just a moment. Okay, so guys, you can see that there are few pop-ups. There are yellow lines visible at the bottom of my screen. So behind every successful trade, I will just increasing the number. If I will be losing any trade, so that will be clock over again. So I just need to remove all the progress. So what we will be focusing on, at least 3 positive trades back to back. Okay, so once I'll be making a positive trades, I will just keep on increasing these number of lines. Once we will be having 3 positive trades, of course, 1 RFT will be unlocked. If my 4th trade will go positive, so that $5 risk-free trade value will become $6. If the 5th is also positive, then that will keep on increasing with the help of $1. And at the end, I will be picking up some signals. I will be picking up some trader ID, and I will put all of them in a randomizer, and then I will just select one randomly. Okay, so I can see that I have started getting some signals, guys. Very nice, very nice. So guys, one more thing, as I can see that some of the traders, they are mentioning their name. So I request you, please mention your asset name on which you want me to take a trade. Okay, so let me introduce the strategy first, then we will just come to this part also. Then we will start this trading part also. Okay, so guys, let's kick off. So as you can see that there is a bar, like you can call it as a tower. So at the bottom there is a button with the name of technical analysis. Okay, so once I'll click on this one, a new window is going to pop up. I will just directly go to the strategy. We are already a bit late, so I'm just trying to hurry so that we will be able to spare more and more time on live trading. So okay, once I'll click on the enable strategy, so the strategy will be visible. That will be applied on my screen automatically. Okay, so guys, now this piece of information for basically for my those friends, those who are not having expert level, and for those this strategy is still locked. Guys, no need to buy the strategy. This can be applied manually also. All you just need to take a screenshot of this one. All you just need to apply this MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9, stochastic with the frequency of 14, 3, 3. But in this strategy, there is one more thing which you need to apply. That is the formation of chart. That is the chart type, candle formation. So initially we have applied Japanese, but in this strategy we are going to use Heikin-Ashi candles. Okay, so Heikin-Ashi candle we are going to use. We are going to get confirmation from 3 different things. When we will be getting a confirmation, then we will be opening some trades. In the meantime, I can see that there are a couple of entries are already there in that specific table. So I am glad to see that you guys are also excited to take participate in this type of contest. Guys, keep on adding your comments, keep on adding your all your signals. So I will be trying to pick a couple of them from them for sure. Okay, so get back to the strategy, guys. So before moving ahead, that how this strategy can be used. So we will be making one change in the visualization. I'm confirming again, it's only with the visualization, not with the frequency. So I will be hiding MACD lines, signal, just to try to make it a bit more easy to understand. I am just trying to reduce the complication. So what I have done, I have just switched it to a single line. Now let's talk about that how this strategy works. We will start from the top, we will move towards the bottom. So the first and the foremost confirmation we will be getting with the help of the color of the candles. So in Heikin-Ashi, the beauty of Heikin-Ashi candle is that it is going to help you with the information that what can be the direction of the market. It's very easy to understand. Green means upward, red means downward. Very easy to understand. But still, if anybody will be getting any doubts, any question, they can drop me in the comment section. Of course, I will be taking your comments also. Okay. Second confirmation we will be getting with the help of MACD. So in MACD, you can observe that there is a zero level. Just next to that, there is a straight line. So every now and then, this line is trying to intersect either in the upward direction or in the downward direction. So whenever we will be getting a confirmation, or whenever we will be able to find a intersection in the upward direction, so they will be indicating that market can go into the upward side or vice versa. Very easy to understand that one also. Now let's talk about the stochastic. The stochastic, or like there are two indicators, those who are acting as stochastic. So the one is stochastic and the second one is RSI. Both of them are working on the same like what we call fundamentals, or on the same topic, or like on the same grid. So what they are trying to tell you, in both of them there are two levels. One is 80, the second one is 20. So this one we call it as overbought zone. Okay, so this is the overbought zone, this is the oversold zone. Just try to get a hold on that thing, that whenever the market is moving into the overbought zone, I mean to say, whenever these two lines, this red and blue line, they are intersecting this red level in the upward direction, so market is in the overbought zone. In the meantime, whenever the same intersection is there with the green line, so the market is in the oversold zone. Okay, so whenever the market will move in any of these zones, so then we can assume that there can be a price correction and market will change the direction. By that, by price correction, I mean to say, if the market is keep on moving into the upward direction, so market will move into the downward. In the meantime, if the market is keep on moving in the downward direction, so once the price correction is there, so once there will be an intersection of this green and these two lines in the upward direction, so at the same time the market can change the direction, and this is something which we can observe also. Okay, but now guys, before moving ahead, one thing I just want to tell you, there are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, you should be also focusing on your money management and risk management also. Do not get excited that I have a strategy, I am going to make back-to-back profits and I am going to be a millionaire in one day. No, I know it's a harsh, I'm being a bit harsh, but it's a fact. Okay, so that is the reason that we will keep on trading with a small amount, and we will keep on increasing it if the trades are going positive, just to increase our capital. Okay, so for now, all in all, we are just supposed to focus on these three signals: green candles, market upward; red candles, market downwards. If the intersection of this line with the zero level in the upward direction, market can move into the upward side. If intersection in the downward, market can go into the downward direction. Again, if the market will move into the overbought zone, then we will wait for the price correction, so that once the market will change the direction, these two lines will intersect in the downward direction, especially the blue line. If you try to observe, so the blue line is the one which is intersecting this level a bit earlier as compared to the red one. So whenever there is going to be intersection between these two levels, then we will be opening a trade. Suggested time frame for this, the chart time frame can be considered as 1 minute, and the suggested trade time frame can be considered from 2 to 3 candles. I am trying to take max to max trades, so I might be taking some trades with the chart time frame of 30 seconds, but in the beginning I will not suggest you the same. You can take trade with 1 minute, and we will try to improve our accuracy also. Okay, so guys, as I can see that now so many traders have also joined, so I need to introduce the contest again. So guys, let me share the ID again, the link again in the comment section. Okay, so here we go. So guys, this is the link which I have shared in the comment section also. All you just need to put your trader ID, which you can pick from here, your asset name on which you think that there is a signal or there can be a signal, what time frame you think that that signal will be there, like what should be the trade time frame, 1 minute, 2 minute or 5 minute, and what direction you want me to take a trade, and then click on submit. Once you will be clicking on submit, so all entries will be visible here. Let me remove this one first, I will add it later. Okay, so everything is going to be visible to me like this one. I will be opening up couple of trades. If that signal will be feasible, of course I will be taking a trade. If not, still I will try to use my own signals also. Okay, and what is the benefit of participating in this one? So if I will be able to make a 3 back-to-back positive results, so one $5 risk-free trade will be unlocked. Okay, if my fourth trade is also going to be positive, so I will keep on adding $1 to the previous RFT. So 5 will become 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is completely depending on your skill set also, on your suggestion also. Okay, in case if I will be making even a single negative result, so everything will be clock over again. Our success, whatever we have made so far, that will become 0. So we have to start again from 1. So this time you will also tell me that whether I should take a trade or not. So guys, make sure you are very active in the comment section. Okay, I can see a couple of signals and a couple of comments also. So of course I will be taking all of them, nothing to worry, but make sure you are well aware that what exactly we are doing, how we are working. And if you want to be if you want to participate in that one, you have to make at least one entry. Only then your trader ID will be here. Okay, so I can see that there is a recent that we should take a trade on Asia Composite Index for 1 minute in the upward direction. Let me see. If I'll try to observe with 30 seconds, I can't see that the trade the market can move into the upward direction, because even I'll try to take a trade on the basis of this one. So it is also indicating that market can go into the negative side. But nothing to worry. Well, nice try, guys. Keep on trying, keep on dropping your signals. I will try to analyze them, and let me open a couple of more assets so we will be able to take back-to-back trades. Let me open some with the highest profitability as well. Okay, so guys, our deck is already ready to take some trades. Okay, so this one signal is there. Let me see if the market. Okay, so the first confirmation, second confirmation, market seems to be going to the consolidation, but I am assuming that market might continue for the upward direction. So guys, first trade is already there. $15 gold, 91% profitability for 2 minutes in the upward direction. Let's see if that trade will go positive. Back to back, at least we need 3 back to back successful trades. Only then that specific RFT will be unlocked, and then I will be sharing it with you guys. I will be giving it to you. So that is going to be a giveaway. Okay, so guys, let's keep on shuffling our cards. Let's keep on checking different assets. Let me see. So the first trade is already in the pipeline. Or just to increase the number of signals, let's move to a shorter time duration. Okay, so market is already in the overbought zone. Market is also having the stuck with this resistance level. So I'm assuming that market might move into the downward direction. Let's see if there will be a intersection of stochastic with the overbought zone in the downward direction. Of course, I will be opening a trade for $15 1 minute in the downward direction. So in the beginning also I have mentioned that 2 to 3 candles trade time frame will be there. So 30-second chart time frame, which means 1 minute. Okay, so intersection is there. Another trade for 1 minute is there in the downward direction on Moonch index. Let's see how this trade goes. Guys, I am opening back-to-back trades, but you can also tell me if you are not sure about that I should take a trade or not. The reason behind is because if the trade will go negative, the success, the progress which we have made in the bar, that will become 0. So we need minimum 3 positive trades to unlock that RFT. Okay, so now again I am getting some more signals. Very nice guys, very nice. Keep it up. Okay, so one signal we have got in the Moonch index for 1 minute, and I think that trade will go positive. Very nice. So the first one trade. Okay, guys, very nice, very nice. So guys, this is something good. As you can see that we have managed to make two back-to-back successful trade. We only need one, guys, only one. So let's stay focused on that one. Let's see how it goes. Let me see. Okay, so there is one signal on AUD CAD OTC. AUD CAD OTC. Let me see if that's if I have opened that asset. AUD CAD. Okay, so with the 85% of profitability, I have got that signal for 1 minute. Sir, the signal, I don't believe that will be able to make some profit, because if we will be considering in a upward direction, that can be considered, because see, the market is already in the oversold zone. So now the market might change the direction and we can take a trade in the upward direction, or let's take the no, we are quite late. Intersection is there. Or guys, just let me know, should we take a trade? Just give me a thumbs up if we should take a trade on this one. Guys, be quick. You can just drop in the comment section also, just thumbs up that if we should go for it, because we are already having two successful back-to-back trades, and if we will be having the third one, then of course we will be able to unlock that RFT, which I want to share it with you. It's all already, guys. I request Brahmdevjit, yeah, because I believe that we were quite late. Okay, no, nothing to worry, nothing to worry. We are still having the opportunity. We still have the opportunity to open a trade in the downward direction. Okay, so in this asset, I believe the market might change the direction and move into the downward direction, because market is already in the overbought zone. Guys, what about this one, this asset? Should we go for it? Once the intersection will be there, should we go for it? Let's see, let's see. Okay, so almost 15 seconds for the completion of candle. Okay, because I want to make at least 3 positive trades so I can unlock it. After that, if I will be making back-to-back successful trades, so the value of the RFT will keep on increasing. But in case if we will making a negative result, that will be clock over, but at least I will be able to share it with you. Okay, so I believe, let's see. So Game on Boyji, this one for you. Let's see if that goes positive or not. Okay, so gold OTC, we got one confirmation for 1 minute in the downward also. So guys, let's see if that trade go positive. I am assuming that the market will change the direction and will move in. Very nice, very nice. So how much time left for the completion? 36 seconds, and there is some price. Okay, oh no, no, guys, hardly 28 seconds to go and market changed the direction. Even the color of the candle is changed, but still we have 19 seconds. Very nice, very nice, guys, very nice. You guys are doing great. So only 14 seconds to go, and I am assuming that this trade might go positive. Let's see. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh no, oh shit, guys, we were very near. We were about to make that happen, but unfortunately the trade went negative. No problem, let's see if we are getting some more signal. Okay, so on USD JPY there is a signal for 2 minutes. USD JPY, let me see. USD JPY, okay, so the signal is for 2 minutes. Let me assume, let me calculate. Sir, for this one the signal can be there, but it will take some time. And in the meantime, if I'll try to observe the all 3 confirmation, so the market is already in the overbought zone, but MACD is below the 0 line. So both of them are indicating 2 different directions. So this is a bit dicey. I think we should avoid it. There was one more signal, but I believe we have missed that one. No worries, no worries, guys. Keep it up, keep it up. I can see that so many entries, so many traders are participating. So keep it up. Just keep on adding your trader ID, the asset you want me to take a trade, direction, and the time. In the meantime, I will also try to locate some signals. Okay, so let me just have a look on all the assets one by one, because we are already at the zero. The complete progress which we have made so far, like 2 back-to-back profitable trades, everything went to zero because we have to start it again. Minimum I need at least 3 positive trades, guys. So help me with that one, so I can help you with at least one RFT. So let's see, let's keep on analyzing, keep on moving, keep on shuffling our cards, and keep on looking forward. Okay, so on this one there might be a signal. Let's see if there is going to be an intersection. Okay, or guys, just let me know if I should increase the chart time frame and increase the trade time frame. Should I stick to the 30-second or I should increase it? Yeah, given by, I believe that there was a support. No worries, no worries. We will be able to make some profits, and in fact, I'm sure that we still have almost 35 minutes to go. So of course, I believe that we will be able to make some profitable trades. Nothing to worry. Okay, so this one intersection is there, but it's been a long. Let's see. Let's take a trade in the upward direction, because there is no profitable trade so far. So we are still in the at the beginning of the task, so nothing to worry. Okay, so guys, let me take a couple of comments also. Yeah, guys, there is a tournament which is going on, so that will start on 4. So make sure, just go to the reward tab. There is going to be an event visible to you. Just click on like participate in the contest, participate in that tournament, and whosoever will be winning, and the top 5, they will be getting a huge amount of RFTs. So make sure you participate in that one. There are no charges like entry fees or something like that one. No deduction. That is not going to affect your profitability or nothing like that. All you just need to take a trade, and that will be calculated in your tournament. So if you are lucky enough, and if you are able to make that much success rate and profitability, and in the meantime turnover, then of course you will be able to win the tournament and get those RFT. Guys, 2 back-to-back trades were negative, so that is the reason that I have reduced the trade amount. Okay, so let me try to take Europe Composite Index 1 minute. Europe Composite Index 1 minute. Let's see. Okay, very nice signal. I am a bit late, but let's see if the trade will go positive. Okay, so 2 confirmations are there. The candle color is red. The intersection of the overbought zone from the overbought zone is already there. So the market there can be a price correction, even though it's about to 7 p.m. So US market is about to open. So we can assume that there will be some sudden volatility. I think we should increase the chart trade time frame just to get some accuracy. Guys, what do you think about that? I know it is going to decrease the number of trades which I am going to execute, but I believe that we might be able to make some successful trades. Okay, whether OTC market, Olymptrade are live market or Olymptrade algorithm. Sir, everything is the live markets, and in fact, if you think that like anything where you are not able to get a hold, or you want to verify, just go to any asset. Like, let me show you. Just go to any asset, click on this one, click on view quote, and just click on verify my trade execution certification. So it's a third party which is certifying every single quote, so you will be getting a certification for that. Okay, I just sent yes sir, I can see that so many traders have been sending signals, so thank you so much for to everyone. Okay, so I get my reverse back which I have deposited but cancelled. Mozam, I just request you to connect with the support team. They will be helping you with that one. Where we find baseline. So Aditya ji, this is the baseline. This is the baseline in MACD. These are the 2 levels in the stochastic. Okay, I will send one short. Please, new tech, I am just waiting. So down 40 points, me to deposit कर दिया है. Shri Sala sir, Balaji Communication, I request you please connect with the support team. So they will be helping you with everything. I am new and I don't know about trading. Only for kids, that is completely fine. If you are ready to learn, we are ready to teach you. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because every now and then whenever we will be coming live, so you will be getting a confirmation. So of course we will be able to get in touch and we will be able to help you. Okay, so guys, I have tried to increase the chart time frame to pick some signal, but I was not able to find something. Okay, so one signal is there. Green candles means market upward, intersection from the oversold zone in the upward. So that is the reason that I have taken another trade in Munch Index for $10 1 minute upward. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so Asia, guys, those who are adding their signals in the chat, in the comment section, I request you, please use this link. Let me share it again with you guys. So by using this link, you will be also liable to you will be eligible to participate in that the last randomizer where I will be announcing the winner. Okay. So sorry bro, these one support, I think it's for 5-minute bonus. Okay, so profitable trader, he want to ask how to use bonus. So sir, when you will be taking trades, so a small piece of amount will be added to your profit, and a small piece will be added to your bonus when the trade will go positive, and in the vice versa, when the trade will go negative, so that will also help happen in the same manner. So if the trade is a negative, one part will be deducted from your capital, one part will be deducted from your bonus, and you will also be getting a task. So once you will be completing that task, so you will be getting some real funds as a prize. Okay, it's going loss. I have told you it was lost. Don't like we see SNR and price action also. Yes, Gamer Boy, it's a nice recommendation you have provided. Okay, so guys, finally we have one more positive trade, so we need 2 more to go. Okay, so let's I can see, please tell me the indicator setting as I have joined now. So Yashwant Dayalji, all you just need MACD with the frequency of 12, 26 and 9, stochastic with 14, 3, 3, and you also need the high Kenichi candle. Okay, so or you can do one thing, just scroll it back, so you will be able to check the complete introduction. Okay, very nice. Okay, so we are the setting of the indicators as I have joined win-win. Okay, so guys, just tell me if I should increase the chart time frame or the trade time frame, because we already have one successful trade. I am assuming that we will be able to make 2 for sure. Let's see. Okay, and Yashwantji, as you, let me just answer your question also. Just give me 1 second. Let me just have a quick round. Okay, so no signals. Okay, so there we can assume that the market, there can be a price correction, guys, because market is there in the overbought zone from a very long time. So once this, okay, so boom, very nice. I assume that market will continue in this direction. So I have opened another trade in USD JPY in the downward direction. Yes, go for long trades, Vishal. Okay, so guys, how many another traders are also agree with Vishal? Should we increase the chart time frame to 1 minute and the trade time frame to 2 minutes? Should we go for that? Because that will also decrease the number of trades we are going to take. Guys, there is one more signal, because the market was stuck in this resistance level. So should I take a trade in downward direction? Because once you will be able to grab a hold on this strategy, so you can trade on these 2 lines whenever they are intersecting each other. So we will be taking care of the direction of this blue line. What do you say, guys? Please be a bit more active, so we will be able to take some trades. Okay, so Nature Ji is saying that we should be stick to 1 minute. Okay, so guys, let me keep on hunting for signal. Let me keep on looking for them, and in the meantime I just want to tell you a couple of more important information, guys. See, it's the financial market. There is a possibility of partial or fully capital loss. So I request you, please make sure you invest enough time, learn everything, then start taking trades. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take or I have taken in the past, everything is my responsibility. I am the responsible one for all those trades which I have taken. Everything is depending on my skill set. Okay. Third thing, even though this session is live, but as you might have observed that there is a time gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to take right away, that will be visible to you after 1 minute or 30 seconds. So please avoid doing a copy trading, because that can lead to some negative results. Just focus on the strategy, try to learn the strategy, how it works, so that you will be able to use it for a longer. Okay, so Hamida, people say this is Hamida ji, we are in the market from almost more than a decade, and we are also member of FinCom. We are regulated by the government of Vanuatu, so everything is streamlined. I just request you, focus on your experience, what exactly you are experiencing, and in the meantime, we are also trying to help our traders to make some profitable trades. Every now and then we are conducting sessions just to help them. Okay, so guys, the next trade was also negative. Okay, so RMKK 1 minute candle, 2 to 3 minute time frame is better. RMG, I am also agree with you, but that will also decrease the number of trade. And almost 25 seconds, 25 minutes are there to go for before winding up this session. Okay, so the signal is there. That is the reason that I am trying to stick to a small time frame. But guys, if I will be getting 2 or at least 5 thumbs up that I should change the chart time frame to 1 minute and increase the trade time frame, then of course I will be considering that. Guys, what do you think? Should we change it? Okay, so Asia Composite 1 minute, AUD CAD, Mahajantram, Asia and Mahajantram. Let's see, Asia and Mahajantram. In Mahajantram, sir, for this one we need to wait for the price correction. Once the price correction will start, so once the intersection, guys, understand one thing, we are not going to take a trade when this market, when these two lines will move into this level. When they will move back from this level, then we will be taking it. Okay, understand that thing. Okay, so Mahajantram index 1 minute down. Okay, so this is the one which I have just read. Asia Composite, I'm just keep on guiding you, even though if I am not able to take a trade, at least I'm just trying to guide you also, that if that signal makes any sense, if that is going to help you in future or not. Okay, the same scenario on this one also. So the market is trying to move into the overbought zone. Once the intersection will be there, then we can take a trade in the downward direction. Guys, if you think I should change the time frame as suggested by RMKK, please just give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's see. Moonch index 1 minute up. Moonch index, where is Moonch index? Okay, here we go. Again, guys, if we try to observe this signal, we can, but as you can observe that market is somewhere in the consolidation. There are 3 direction market is moving in: upward, downward and sideways. So we always avoid taking trades in the sideways direction, because that can lead to some negative results. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so guys, very nice signal, red candles, intersection of stochastic in the downward direction from overbought zone. So we have opened another trade for $10 in Mahajantram in downward. Let's see how it goes, if we will be able to make some profit. Okay, so guys, one trade is positive, second is in the process. Let's increase the number. Okay, so we already have one yellow light, we need at least 2 more. I am expecting that this will also go positive, because there is a sharp cut from overbought zone in the downward direction. So I am assuming that this trade will go positive. Guys, what do you think? Okay, Jagannathan ji, I request you, please add your comment in the sheet on Astro Index 1 minute. Astro, let me see. Okay, so on Astro, at the last moment the trade started. No sir, the Astro is indicating the market can move into the upward direction. So behind every trade, one trade is going positive, one is going negative. So we are not able to make that progress. No worries. Let's move to another. AUD New Zealand OTC. AUD New Zealand. Let me try. Okay, so for 2 minutes up. Let's see how it goes. Let me analyze this signal also. Okay, so I am assuming that the market will continue because there was a support level also, so the market might continue in the upward direction. So another trade in AUD New Zealand in the upward direction. Let's see. USD JPY OTC 1 minute up. I'm sure that we are quite late, but let's see, let's assume. No sir, for this one again, if I'll consider for 30-second chart time window, so the trade should can go in the downward direction, because guys, understand one thing, stochastic or RSI, they are working on the same fundamentals. So whenever the market will move into the overbought zone, which means these two lines will intersect the red line in the upward direction, or market will move into the oversold zone, these two lines will intersect this green level in the downward direction, then there can be a price correction. So the market, when the market will reverse itself, then we will be taking a trade. So this is a counter trend strategy. So we will not be following the trend, we will be waiting for the reversal of trend. Mahajantram 1 minute down. Okay, Mahajantram, where is Mahajantram? Where is Mahajantram? So Mahajantram 1 minute down. No sir, again, because if we will increase the chart time frame to 1 minute, then minimum chart a trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candle. So that is the reason that I am keeping it for 30 second. Let's see how the last trade. Okay, so it seems to be going negative. Okay, market change the direction. Okay, so on this one, sir, again, PSCCB, sir, please clarify your comment. What do you want to say, sir? Again, okay, so you want me to explain the strategy again, right? Okay, AUD CAD OTC 1 minute down. AUD CAD OTC. No sir, again, guys, you guys are doing good, you guys are trying to grab a hold on the strategy, but somewhere you are lacking with the basics. So initially we will be working only on the basis of intersection of overbought zone and oversold zone. After some time, once you will be having a hold on this strategy, of course you can move to these intersection also. Okay, so guys, I have shared the link again. Please make sure you add your signals there. Sir, we just received one signal, but what should be the direction? Please tell me. Okay, AUD CAD OTC, that was not eligible. Euro USD, it's been already long, so we have already missed. I was seeing a person trading money about 2 to 4 lakhs when I tried its maximum amount about 300. Sir, what do you think? What do you want to say? That maximum trade amount you can take, or the deposit? Harsh, can you please explain? USD JPY OTC 2 minute. USD JPY OTC. USD JPY OTC. Okay. Sometimes it's taking time. Okay, so the trade is showing downward. No sir, it is not making there is no such signal which are indicating that market can go into the downward direction. Okay, Euro Composite 1 up. Euro Composite 1 in the upward direction. Let's see. No sir, again, because see, if we will be focusing on the support or resistance level, then we can assume that the market can go into the upward direction, but currently we are just only focusing on the strategy. Okay, so the time maximum. Okay, so Shahzad ji, hello. Okay, so PSCCB, he want to ask like time maximum ho gaya hai. Okay, so sir, let me explain the strategy how it works. So we will be focusing on the chart time candle color. So if the just 1 second, Asia Composite Index down, Asia Composite Index down. Let's see. No, guys, what you guys are doing? where you guys are focusing on, because if I'll try to focus on this strategy, I am not getting any signal which is indicating that the market can move into the downward direction. Even though if I am focusing on this part, so it is indicating market is in the upward direction. So focus on the strategy also. Do not focus only on the contest which we are conducting. We need to focus on the strategy, because that should be the main focus you should be. Okay, so focus on this part. I'm explaining again. So if the green candles are there, market can go into the upward direction. Red candles are there, market can go into the downward direction. At the same time, there is a zero level in MACD. So if this line is intersecting this level in the upward direction, market can go into the upward and vice versa. Third confirmation we will be getting with the help of these two things: overbought zone, oversold zone. So whenever the market will move into the overbought zone, so these two lines will intersect this red level, or these two lines will intersect this green level in the downward direction or in the upward direction, then we can assume that there can be a price correction, so market will change the direction. So slowly and gradually now the market is keep on moving into the upward direction. I'm not going to take a trade on this basis, but once the market will change the direction in the downward side, and I will start observing some red candles, I will observe that the MACD is intersecting this zero level in the downward direction, and at the same time there is an intersection from overbought zone to downward side. That can be the direction to open a trade in the downward side. Suggested time frame minimum is 1 minute. Once you will be having a hold on this strategy, of course you can go with 30 seconds also, but the longer the time duration, the lesser the risk will be there. Trade time frame is 2 to 3 candles. So if I have kept the chart time frame as 30 seconds, of course I can go with the trade time frame to 1 minute or 1.5. If I'll make it 1 minute, then of course I will keep on multiplying just to calculate the time. Okay, and in the meantime we are conducting one contest. We are also trying to make some profitable trades. In the meantime I am going to make some profits, and of course I will also help you to get something. So if you will be providing some signals, and I will be able to make back to back 3 profitable trades, so one $5 RFT will be unlocked. If that those back to back positive trades will keep on increasing, then of course I will increase the value of RFT by $1. Okay. Okay, so let's see if we have any more signals to work on. Okay, so, trade amount is 3,000 when the YouTuber. No sir, there is nothing like that. Even though if I'll try to take a trade, I can take a trade with $5,000 also. So you can increase the trade amount. That is completely fine. And that is also depending that is also depending on your level, also on your platform level, but that is not that much less, not only 3,000 rupees. Okay, you can take trades with a bigger amount also. Okay, coin PSCCB, I'm so sorry, I'm not getting your comments. Like kaun sa coin mein correct time, sir? Like this strategy can be used on any asset, on fixed time trade and forex, both the trading mode, so that is completely fine. Set of rule is same, all you just need to focus on the strategy. Okay, so guys, let me see. I can see that there are back to back entries, but I have missed a couple of crypto composite 1 minute, Asia composite 1 minute. Okay, AUD JPY, sir, even though if I'll be able opening a trade for AUD JPY for 5 minutes, that is going to take a lot of time to get completed, and the session might over. So we should be focusing crypto composite and Asia composite. Let's see. Okay, so crypto 30-second chart time frame, 1 minute. Now guys, no, there is no signal like that. Crypto, and let me observe Asia also with the chart time frame of 30-second. Okay, so there was a signal. Very nice guys, very nice. This is something good. Whosoever give me this suggestion, if you have picked on this signal, that was a very nice signal, because back to back I can observe that the market is moving into the downward direction. I know that is my mistake, that I have taken a trade after couple of candles, but if we would have opened the position on this candle, of course there was a short winning. Okay, Okay, guys, keep on adding, keep on adding. We still have somewhere around 5 to 7 minutes, so we can, at least try again. We can open a couple of more trades. Okay, okay, okay. Oh no, so market change the direction, market moving into the upward direction. No worries, no worries. Okay, let me shuffle my cards. Let me shuffle. Let me move to another signal. Okay, so there can be a signal. Intersection is there, red candle is there. I'm assuming that market will move. So once this candle will be completed, I will take a trade in. Okay, boom. So another trade, Moonch Index $10, 1 minute downward. Let's see how it goes. I am expecting at least I will be able to make back-to-back 3 positive results, because there was sudden volatility. US market just opened, and that also affect our trade result. सर ट्रेड के बाद टाइम मीन ब्रेक ऑफ कोर्स PSCCB you should take a break. You should analyze how was the trade, whether that was positive or negative. You should focus, you should also work on your money management, risk management, that whether you should increase the capital or reduce. Do not take back to back trades and then wait for the result. Take one trade, wait for the result, then move to the another. Jagannathan Astro Index 1 minute. Okay, Astro Index, Jagannathan ji is trying to say that we should open a trade for 1 minute up direction. No sir, we should not be taking a trade in the upward direction, because see, there are no such intersection. Okay, so guys, one successful trade, very nice. I am hoping that this second will also go positive. Let's see. No, so still 20, no worries, no worries. We can hope for the best. At least we have one yellow candle. No, guys, I am sharing the link again in the comment section. Please add your comment, keep on adding your comments there. Okay, so compound index 1 minute down, compound index 1 minute down. Oh my god. Okay, so support, no guys, sir, see, intersection, on the basis of intersection of these two we can consider, but there is a support level also. So if this level will be breached, then the market can continue. But in high Kanashi candle, there is one drawback, that you will not be able to analyze or confirm what is the support level or what is the resistance level. Okay, so it's about to finish, but we were not able to complete the task. But I don't want you be feel disheartened. Let's see, let's keep on try. At least we will try for 2 more minutes, guys. Still we have the opportunity, we can do it, nothing to worry. Okay, so signal intersection is there. Let's take a trade in the downward, stable in the downward. Okay, AUD CAD up, AUD CAD upward for 1 minute. Let's see. Sir, signal can be there, but for now the confirmation is not there. No green candles, no intersection of MACD in the upward, and in the meantime there is no intersection from the oversold zone in the upward direction. So signal is in the formation. You tried, very nice, like that was some very close. Good to know that you are trying to grab a hold on the strategy, and you are very near. Guys, understand one thing, you guys are doing great job. You guys are doing a great job. Sometimes some signals, like you are analyzing in a proper way, but you are trying to make an analysis on some another calculations. Like when the intersection is there, then we need to wait for the reversal. So once the intersection, I mean to say, so this intersection is already there, so we will be waiting for this opportunity, this intersection. Okay, so see, if I'll try to observe this signal, intersection from oversold zone upward, good to go. Green candles, good to go. And MACD direct intersection, it's also there. Very nice, very nice. Guys, I can see that so many people, they have participated along with me. They have helped me a lot. I think that I should, I'm literally, guys, I am overwhelmed, but all in all we were not able to make that much positive results, but still I will not leave you disheartened. At least I will try to give you something. So let's remove some duplicates. Okay, just a moment, let me try again. Just give me a moment. So let's try to remove the duplicates. Okay, so my mistake. Okay, so let me try to remove it. Oh, where is it? Okay, so why it's not removing the duplicacy? Let me try again. Okay, I'm so sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, let's do one thing. We will try to find winner from all of them. So how many numbers we have, how many signals we got today? So 63. Oh, very nice. So somewhere around we got 71 signals today, guys. So let's see, everything should be clear cut, everything should be visible to you. So let me try to make it more easy for you. Why it's not fetching the data? Okay, one. Okay, yeah, so now it will be copied and paste. Okay, why sometimes this system sucks. Okay, so guys, just give me a quick moment. We are just about to announce our winner for today. Let's see. Okay, so we can see there are few more entries. Okay, so guys, no need to add more comments, no need to add more. Let me see who is the winner for today. So for today's winner is cell number 64. So who is the luckiest one? 64. Okay, so guys, whosoever trader ID is 127115337. I'm repeating again, 127115337. He or she will be the winner for $5 risk-free trade, even though we were not able to complete the task. So let's make it a giveaway. Like this, this is the first session we try to conduct in this manner. So there is going to be a giveaway for $5 risk-free trade. I'll make sure that this RFT is added to the specific trader account ID as soon as possible. So let me announce it again. So it's 127115337. Okay, so my congratulations to the winner, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for such a lovely interaction. Thank you so much for sparing your time. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep earning, keep learning. And this is your host Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely time. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.